Here is the parts list that we are going to go through, so follow along. Start with the base plate and put it onto a flat surface. Now mount the support arms. Make sure that the flat edge end faces up and mount them onto the left end of the base plate. Use 3 nuts and bolts provided for each support arm. Only hand tighten for now. Now place the top support onto the support arms with the hinges facing inwards. Use 2 nuts and bolts for each side. And actually these hinges are spares, so you can remove them. See, the screen print unit already has hinges, so let's use these. Now mount the L brackets onto the screen printer. Untighten 2 sliders and slide them to the front. This L bracket will be used as a stopper, as you will see later. Do the same on the other side. Okay, now mount the ribbed support arms. Make use of the 3 long bolts and their nuts on either side. The ribs must face inwards, and then slot the long bolts right through and secure them with the nuts. Do the same for both ribbed support arms. Next, place the height adjuster into the middle of them, and then slide the moving base plate into the ribbed support arms from the top. Screw it in place with the red hand tighteners on either side. Now the screen print unit is ready to be mounted. Rest the L bracket on the ribbed support arm stopper. And now secure the hinges of the screen print unit onto the top support. And now it is a good time to tighten all the screws and nuts and make sure that the unit is solid. Lastly, let's assemble the tension spring set. Slot one side of the tension spring through the eye on the top support. Do the same on the other side. Now fit another L bracket onto 2 sliders in more or less the middle of the rails. Secure the screw tension unit onto the L bracket using the pin and secure it with the ring from underneath. Then attach the other end of the tension spring to the other end of the screw extension unit to form one unit. And pull the sliders back to make it tight. And then fasten the L bracket. Do the same on the other side. All that's left now is the top bracket and the stopper screw. Mount the bracket on either side of the top support just next to the tension springs. And screw the stopper screws in place for now. And you are done. Your curved screen printer is now assembled and ready for use. Thank you for watching, and be sure to watch other videos on the curved screen printers from AM.CO.za on our Achievement Matters YouTube channel.
Twenty 2023 marks the 10th anniversary of AM.CO.za in the South African market. And through that time, we have experienced considerable growth and expansion with the support of our valued customers. To mark our 10th anniversary, we have bought a warehouse at Sunny Rock in East Rand, and we will commence with renovation and construction in 2023. The facility will comprise a massive 2,000 square meter warehouse, 300 square meters of demonstration space, 150 square meters of sales space, and 400 square meters of spare part storage on the top floor. 550 square meters of showroom space on the middle floor. 400 square meters for Machine.Africa for machine repairs with its own dedicated entrance. And a 250 square meter tea garden and coffee shop for your convenience. Our group now comprises 4 businesses. AM.CO.za is our main business and supplies the machines, spare parts and consumables. Machine.Africa does the installations for our clients and handles on-site and factory repairs. Ambitious Academy ensures that our clients achieve the very best levels of productivity by providing training and certification. And our automated AI-driven online store, Buy This, brings all products online and distributes countrywide. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey as we establish our new headquarters. Watch as the process unfolds and be part of the adventure to meet all of your machinery and productivity needs with this magnificent new facility. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.